Hey, it's time for day 3's homework assignment. This was going to be fun. Your small team at the Rung decided to create a next-generation global spy analysis application. After a couple of hours of discussion at the whiteboard, your team decides on a basic design for the classes that will comprise your application. You volunteer to stay late tonight and translate the UML class diagram on the whiteboard into C# code. So here's what the team has come up with. So your job is to translate this diagram into a set of classes for your new global spy analysis application using what you learned about classes and properties and methods and UML today. Now, just kind of a point of clarification here. When it comes to the methods that you see on this diagram, what you can do is just stub them out, which is a programmer term for adding a simple comment. Let me show you what I've done here. Let me pop open. There we go. So you can see I have my stubbed out method, and then I have a simple to do, implement this, so that I can find that and remember I need to actually implement those methods. Or if you really want to stretch for bonus points, go ahead and write a command line application, you know, like in the program.cs, that will allow you to add and test basically the creation of a new spy and a new agency object in memory, and fill out their properties, and then use the display spy info method to write out the details to the screen. Now, if you were to implement that, keep in mind the little note that I have right underneath of it. The display spy info method should use the agency.getAgencyInfo method to display all of its information. So that's something we didn't really talk about, using a method from another class inside of a method of, you know, the calling class. But I'm sure you can figure out it's exactly the same the way that you would do it with inside the program.cs. Same thing. All right, so let's see what you come up with. If you get stuck, obviously there's a solution. You're welcome to look at that, but please try to grapple with this before you just punt and go on to the solution. So good luck. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.